Gitna.
Kagumkum pa na.
Sa gitna, ane. Gitna, ane. Ma'am Diana, Sir Gerbert, dito po tayo sa gitna because today is your special day. Everyone, birthday po nila ngayon, meaning to say po, treat nila yung party yan. So half of your payment po, ibabalik nila. Yes, tama mo po ba? Kasi birthday nyo po, birthday party at yung po to. So, meaning po, treat nyo sila. So, half of your payment po, ibabalik nyo. Everyone, pag di nila yung ginawa, sabihin nyo lang sa amin, hindi na ito makakalabas ng Boracay. Okay? Everybody, just to make their birthdays more extra special, pakantahan natin sila ng happy birthday. DJ, may music na tayo dyan ng happy birthday. Everybody, in 3, 2, 1, let's go! Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. One more time!
Happy birthday.
Yes, once again, Ma'am Juliet, Ma'am Marilu, Ma'am Diana, Sir Gerbert, happy birthday! But wait, there's more. Pakikuha po ng inumin. By the way, Ma'am, Sir, because we have a tradition here. Every time that there is a birthday celebrant, meron po tayong tinatawag na 10-second shot! Shot! Ma'am Juliet, don't worry. Pag di mo po kayang uminom, you have a power to call a friend. She will drink!
Go!
Later, let's go, Ma'am Juliet. Let's do the 10-second shot.
Okay.
Everybody, let's go! 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5,
4, 3.
6 pa lang. Excited. Wait lang. 6, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1! Once again, Ma'am Juliet, happy birthday. Let's go to Ma'am Marilu! Ma'am Marilu, ano? You going to drink? I'll call a friend.
70 years old.
Yung saan ni Ma'am Marilu yung iinom? By the way, I forgot to inform everyone, yung sequence mo natin ng pag-inom, sir, is 10, 15, 20.